If you're seeing the GOG update error while modifying, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to fix it fast. We'll start with the recommended method, then move into a settings change that often solves stubborn update issues, and finally, I'll show you how to bypass the client entirely and download what you need manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming and software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's do the easiest and most recommended fix, which is force closing GOG and reinstalling the latest version. This is a great first step because update problems are often caused by a broken client install, a stuck background process, or outdated files that need a clean refresh. So, look at your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the GOG icon there, right-click it and choose Exit. Make sure the client is fully closed and not still running in the background. If needed, open Task Manager and confirm that GOG Galaxy is no longer active. Once GOG is fully closed, go to the official GOG Galaxy website and download the latest GOG Galaxy Web installer. Use the newest installer version instead of an older setup file, because the latest version often includes important fixes for update and verification issues. After the download finishes, run the installer and let it repair or reinstall the client. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow it to complete, and then reopen GOG Galaxy to see if the update error is gone. If the problem is still happening, the next fix is to change the temporary update folder. This works especially well when the current folder is corrupted, full, or locked by permissions. Inside GOG Galaxy, go to Settings, then click Downloads. Look for the option labeled Temporary Game Update Folder. This is the folder GOG uses while downloading and modifying game files. Change that location to a new custom directory, and if possible, pick a folder on a different drive. For example, if your main drive is having issues, choose another internal drive with plenty of free space. After changing the folder, save the settings and try the update again. This small adjustment can make a big difference because it gives GOG a fresh location to work with instead of trying to use a folder that may already be causing conflicts. If you're not sure where to put it, choose a simple folder path like a dedicated updates folder on a secondary drive. Keep it clean, short, and easy to find. Now, if neither of those methods works, there's still another option. Bypass the client updates completely. This is useful when the launcher keeps failing, but you still need the game files or installer right away. To do this, log into your GOG account in your browser and go to the game page for the title you want. Look for the offline backup setup files or any available manual download options. GOG often provides downloadable installers that let you install or repair the game without depending on the launcher's update process. Download the necessary offline backup files manually, then run them as instructed. This method can help you get around a broken client update path and still access your game files safely. It's also a good backup plan if you want to avoid repeated update failures and move forward with a clean install. So, to quickly recap, first, exit GOG completely and reinstall the latest web installer. Second, change the temporary game update folder to a new custom location, preferably on another drive. And third, if the client still won't cooperate, log into your GOG account and manually download the offline backup setup files from the game page. One of these fixes usually solves the GOG update error modifying issue, especially if the problem is caused by a bad cache, folder permissions, or a stuck client process. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.